There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Welcome everybody to today's weekly update call, insider call for Flash. Again, my name is Dominic and I will take you through the demo account and also one of my live accounts so we can see where we are, how we are standing. And first of all, we will go through the demo account. So I will share my screen with you and let's see what is going on our demo account. As you can see, our demo account is still in a pretty big drawdown. As I told you a few calls now in a row, that we are going to be ditching especially JPY pairs and some of the Euro NZD and USD JPY, mostly all the JPY pairs. Why? Because when they go on a huge run, and we don't want to be stuck in those pairs because we have a lot more pairs and also indices gold that they're like performing amazing. And let's go see here the FX monitor, and you will see here on the FX monitor altogether we are in a 59% drawdown. And as you can see, AUD JPY, JPY, CAD JPY, Swiss franc JPY, Euro NZD, NZD JPY, USD JPY, and GBP AUD. They're actually in the biggest drawdowns. Also, you can see NZD JPY, and you can see all the other pairs are performing quite nicely. So we will be ditching definitely JPY pairs from this demo testing account, and we will be testing without them, because if we go a little bit to the chart and like we can take a look and we can see actually how it's railing up all the JPY pairs. If we go, let's say, AUD JPY, you can see it made like a big move to the upside. And this move was, if we go like an 8-hour chart, you can see this move was actually like, let's see how big that move actually was. This was actually a move of almost 1,000 pips. So we definitely are expecting like a major pull down. And yeah, so this is it. The next thing what I want to share with you, I also started an account, GBP USD, with the standard pairs. Again, this is like a high risk account because I started this account with let's see, I think I deposit $3,000 onto this account. Yeah, I deposit $3,000 on this account. This account started, let me see when it started. We started on the 2nd of February, so it's running now for how long? So it's 2nd of March, 2nd of April. So it's running for 2 months now. It's like a highly aggressive account because we're again running one pair per every $500 on the account. But it's performing like quite nice. You can see right now it's in a big like a drawdown of $670, nothing major, and it made a profit altogether, all history, and it made a profit of $346. So it's like up 10, 14%. Yeah, 10% or something, 12%. It's up. Also, we are now in a little bit bigger drawdown on GBP CAT. And also some drawdown on Euro USD. If we go look on Euro USD, we are $127 to drawdown, and in GBP CAD, we are $535 in drawdown. So uh, put we also put a new indicator on Flash, and what does that indicator actually does? It's actually filtering out even better all the trades that Flash is taking. So what does that mean? That means that we will have more precise trades, and that Flash is going to be waiting more for it. And this is like really important also for all of us, because I'm a personally a trader that doesn't like a lot of drawdown. My drawdown, I always want the drawdown to be under 10%. Doesn't matter what it happens in the market, because I always say we have to be like ready for like the craziest market conditions. And if we can live through the craziest market conditions, then we will also be doing nice profits when the market it's not as nice. So this is it. Like for Flash right now, there's like nothing major, like an update. We just put like another indicator, as I said, inside, so you can get like more precise trades. It filters trades out even better. So this is it for now. Let me see if there's any questions. There is like no questions in the chat, so we can like cut this call like really short, because there is like nothing new. We are still trading the standard pairs. Stick to the standard pairs, which are the standard pairs. We can go. You can show you. The standard pairs are actually, uh, if we go, it's Euro USD, it's USD CAT, and it's uh, GBP USD. These are the standard pairs. You can see up here Euro USD, USD CAD, and GBP USD. These are the standard pairs, and also Flash. It's nice performing on GBP CAD, NZD USD, and NZD CAD. So now, if you want to be like more on the conservative side, only trade Euro USD, USD CAD, and GBP USD, and you will be totally fine. Like a lot of my customers, they're just trading Euro USD, USD CAT, and GBP USD, and they're having like amazing results, and a lot drawdown less than 8%. So just that you know. And if you want to be like more aggressive, then you can add also GBP CAT, NZD USD, NZD CAT. I know that a lot of people are started to like only trade USD 30. So USD 30 this week, I only got like one buy, and also close these buys positions down and nothing else. So also the USD 30, it's like really performing really nice. And yeah, definitely I will also put in just an account with USD 30 so we can see how it's performing. So guys, thank you everybody that joined in live into the call. And if you have any questions, as always, message me into the traders chat where I can answer also all of your questions. Thank you guys, and talk to you soon.
There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.